everyone, welcome back to Registerkaro, your trusted partner for business registration. आज इस वीडियो में हम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी रजिस्ट्रेशन को सिंपल तरीके से समझेंगे। क्या होता है, क्यों करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, कितना टाइम और कितने पैसे लगेंगे और शुरू कैसे करें। So let's start. So first comes what is a private limited company? A private limited company is a separate legal entity under the Companies Act 2004. It gives you limited liability, a professional structure, and an easy path to raise capital. Now coming on to who can register or the eligibility criteria, you need at least 2 directors and at least one should be an Indian resident. Now talking about the timeline, you can expect your private limited company to get incorporated within 2 to 3 days. Now documents required: director PAN, Aadhaar, and address on director's passport size photo, proof of office with NOC. Proof of office where you can give utility bill or rent agreement. Why should you choose private limited? First, it gives you credibility with banks and investors. Second, limited liability. Your personal assets stay protected. Third, easy fundraising through equity. Fourth, separate legal entity. Owns assets, enters contracts. So are you ready to launch your private limited company with 0 steps? Click the link in the description or you can visit registerkaro.in website today. And do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more such business content. Thank you for watching.